23-year-old British woman, after being allegedly molested in Gujarat, she had to endure further humiliation during court proceedings. Kaya Onrich was allegedly molested by a plumber who'd come to her apartment to repair a shower. Her efforts to get justice turned out to be another ordeal, as she was humiliated in an open court and ridiculed by the defense lawyer Sanjay Prajapati. Pamela found herself alone in the witness box. There was no interpreter and public prosecutor. J.S. Joshi, the prosecutor, was busy in another case. Pamela is in Ahmedabad on a 3-month internship program.
The experience in court was intensely humiliating. It was not as physically painful as a sexual assault. I was just as frightened, and I was just as alone, and I was just as humiliated. Mainly I was afraid. It was very aggressive. It was relentless. And it seemed to be entirely aimed at demeaning me as far as I could go and to break me as far as possible so that they could formulate some kind of defense against what I believe is entirely indefensible.
After being unhappy with the public prosecutor, Kaya has now hired her own lawyer, who says the way her client was treated was shocking.
She knows only English, and she was not provided translators, and she was humiliated in the court. Everyone was laughing at her. Even the defense lawyer, he was also laughing. Even accused was also laughing.
What were the questions of the defense lawyer?
It was very irrelevant questions. Whether you bath or not, whether you are smoking, whether you are taking liquor, your apartment has some other, what is the distance between your apartment and your workplace. All these kind of nonsense questions which are very irrelevant.